Today I'd like to show you a new feature that we are finding increasingly useful and helpful for people when they're building their journey maps. So to do that, I've created a simple basic story map template here on the screen, and I named it the Blue Line Helper lesson. And what I've got here are three story map lines, each one representing sort of a different actor or a different persona's version of this particular experience. And then below that, I have some of our standard story map elements like emotional heat map, some doing, thinking, and feeling, and then also a graph at the bottom, which of course I haven't filled out yet. So the purpose of this tutorial is to show you how you can enhance these blue lines and really make them unique to your particular story. Since this is a graphic, you can't exactly pull the line or create circles on the line. So in order to remedy that, we created a storytelling element that we call Blue Line Helpers. So in order to get to the Blue Line Helpers, you just go up in here to your options at the top and click on Add a Storytelling Element. And then when you do that, you open up the Storytelling Library. This is where you find all your text boxes and sticky notes and all kinds of cool graphics. I want to draw your attention today to the section here called Blue Line Helpers. If you open that up by clicking on it, this will bring up a library of basically lines and circles and all kinds of really cool things that you can just add to your map, and then you can fully customize the background to look exactly as you need it to look. So I'll go ahead and pull over a couple and then show you how they line up on the story map. So now I can give myself a job. Let's say it happens here. I can do things like arrows down and arrows up. So I can even connect my first line to my second line if I want to, if it's relevant to my story. I can choose one of these larger jobs and pull these over. Now let me close my box here. This is a little bit big. And then again, you're just simply lining up the white lines and then letting the blue creative elements do their thing. You're just giving yourself an enhanced canvas. So let's do maybe another one, maybe a mid-sized job, and put that one down here. And then wherever you click and drag it, that's where it'll be. And then now that you've done that, of course, hit refresh periodically just to make sure everything's locked in. Once you've done that, you can go get your IPoints. I'm going to get my IPoints from my inventory, which is what I typically do. So I'll go ahead and add a set of IPoints from inventory, and then click back to map. Now my IPoints are here. I can go ahead and start to plot them out along the storyline based on the blue line helpers and how they work and how they relate to the story. So in this case, this is theoretical. These aren't exactly where I would place these IPoints, but just wanted to really give you an idea of how the blue line helpers can help you create the graphic elements that you might need to support your story. Additionally, you may notice that these IPoints look a little bit different on my map than they do in my inventory. In order to remedy that, you can just go to Edit This Map, and we have a section here for IPoint Visible Elements. And now what I like to do is I like to show actors. I always show my emotional state. I like to show scores and segments. And unless I'm drawing a process map with connectors, I really don't need to show my connectors, so I'm going to turn those off. Then once you hit save on that and close, you've got your IPoints looking basically the same way that they do in your inventory. So this is it. Very simple. These graphics are available for you to use. And then, of course, once you build a map with graphics, when you go to print the map, those graphics will come out as part of your PNG file. So now you've just given yourself a completely customized background canvas. Thanks for watching, and as normal, reach out if you have any questions or if you would like any help.